Today, you'll grow real crystals and turn them into a colorful creation you can decorate and display. Let's get started. Inside your kit, you'll find everything you need to grow your own crystal. A foundation piece, crystal growing powder, measuring cup, bottles of paint, paint palette, paintbrush, stirring stick, and finger gloves. Before we begin, a quick safety reminder. An adult should always help with boiling water and crystal powder. Wash your hands after crafting and keep the powder away from your eyes and mouth. Now it's time to prepare the crystal solution. Ask an adult to pour boiling water into the measuring cup. Slowly add the entire packet of crystal powder. Stir until the powder is completely dissolved and the water looks clear. Set the cup aside and let it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the solution has cooled a little, gently place the foundation piece into the cup so it's fully covered. If needed, ask an adult to carefully add a little more warm water so the entire foundation stays submerged. Move the cup to a quiet spot where it won't be bumped or moved. Leave it there for 24 hours while the crystals grow. After 24 hours, your crystals should be ready. Carefully lift the crystal-covered piece out of the cup. Place it on a protected surface and allow it to completely dry before decorating. Now comes the fun part, coloring your crystal. Add small drops of dye to the palette. Mix the colors to make new shades, then use the brush to decorate your crystal craft. Choose your favorite colors and patterns and make it your own. Once your creation is dry, your crystal craft is complete and ready to display. Great job! Want even more fun? Scan the QR code to join our VIP list. Get free printables, discounts, and creative surprises from your friends at Purple Ladybug, bringing you creativity through crafting.